You don't need protests to convince anyone in this country that we have to get back to work and we have to get the economy going and we have to get out of our homes. Nobody. The question is going to become how, when, how fast, and what do we mean in terms of reopening? They want to fund financial services and large corporations and airlines and hotels. Yeah, that's all great. Fund all those businesses. But at the same time, don't forget teachers and police officers and firefighters and transit workers and healthcare workers and nursing home staff, because those are the people who I fund with the state budget. If they exclude state government again, our state forecast will project, without any federal funds, you can't spend what you don't have. If you were to allocate the shortfall relatively on a flat basis across need, you would be cutting schools 20%, local governments 20%, and hospitals 20%. And this is the worst time to do this. I would propose hazard pay for frontline workers. We all say, boy, they did a great job, the healthcare workers did a great job, the police, the heroes. Yes, they are. But you know what? Thanks is nice, but also recognition of their efforts and their sacrifice is also appropriate. 2/3 of those frontline workers are women. 1/3 come from low-income households. 40% of the frontline workers are people of color. 45% in public transit, 57% of the building workers, 40% of the healthcare workers. People of color are also disproportionately represented in delivery services and child care services, right? The economy closed down. The economy did not close down. It closed down for those people who, frankly, have the luxury of staying at home. We're also going to bring 500,000 cloth masks to NYCHA. That is one mask for every person who is in public housing, and hand sanitizer, et cetera, just so they have the necessary equipment they need to do the social distancing and protection. We're going to set up a test program in NYCHA where we're going to have on-site health services and testing in the New York City area.